Hi everyone, welcome to this quick Snapchat video where I'm going to show you how to change your streak emoji on Snapchat. As you all know, by default the snap streak emoji is set to the fire emoji. Now you can easily change it to anything else that you want. For that, you simply need to tap on your Bitmoji on the top left, and from this section tap on the settings option on the top right. From this page you will need to scroll down until you find a section of customize emojis. It should be under privacy control. You can tap on it and it's going to show you all of the emojis that you can change for, and in the second to last option you will see snap streak. You can tap on it and you'll be able to see all of these emojis that you can choose. Simply tap on the emoji that you want to add and the emoji will be set. That's how easily you can change the streak emoji on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, then make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.